in a world that is full of, short attention span and people all over the places, your personal brand is the reason someone gets to remember you, someone gets to trust you, someone gets to like you, and even get them to listen to you. So ask yourself, how is my personal brand? Is it portraying the right things that will make people want to listen to me? So if you are watching this video and you would want to know, keep watching to the end, because I'm going to share how you can make your personal brand to work for you, to work in your favor. Your personal brand should be able to showcase clarity. You should be able to show who you help, why you are helping them, why it matters. How do you help them do that? Do you understand? Let's say you are an advocate for teens and youths. Do you understand? Okay, let me just say teens as an example. So you say you help teens. Now, why? How do you do this? You help them with the right skill, with the right empowerment, the right knowledge that they need. So why does this actually matter? Because it matters because you do not want things to go in the wrong way, or maybe the wrong way it has actually been happening in the past. So you want them to have a new vision, a new opportunity for themselves, other than what has been happening in the past. So just tell them your personal brand should showcase clarity. You should be able to show who you are, who you help, how you do it, and why it actually matters. Because this will give your readers this perception of, okay, this person has this knowledge of what they are doing, and I can actually listen to them. I don't know if you understand. So you should be able to showcase clarity. Even if you own a skill, you have a skill, you should be able to know who you are actually helping. You should be able to tell them how you actually intend to help them. And you should be able to tell them why you think, why you feel it actually matters, and why they need to trust you. So the second thing you want to take note of when building a personal brand that actually works in your favor is the type of content that you share. You don't want to share content that are irrelevant or content that does not align with your goal. Your content needs to be able to align with your goal. For instance, share your stories, share why you're doing this, share how you intend to achieve it, share the people you've helped, like your program, who your program has helped, and who it is still helping. Do you understand? So share your story consistently. Your content actually matters, and you do not want to put out any type of content out there. Last one is connection. Now, many people just want to have followers. They just want to have subscribers. They just want to have people following them. But as a personal brand, someone building a personal brand, you want to build connection. You want to build relationship and not just followers. So have it in mind that as you're growing here, you're not just building followers. Have it in mind that you're building people that you're going to create emotional connection with, someone like people that you're going to connect it, and not just answering mere followers. So please, these are ways you build your personal brand to work for you, so that when people come across your profile, they're able to like you, they're able to want to listen to you. Do you understand? And your content will be able to transform their lives through the content, the types of content that you put out there. Let's start with clarity today. So tell me, put out one sentence in the comment section. Tell me who you are, who you work for, and why it actually matters. Remember, I said who you are, who you work for, and why it actually matters. I would love to know that in the comment section. So go right now, tell me. I'm going to respond to each